Welcome to the in front of me INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application. And now here in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Click enable in settings. Click agree. Near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. After that, just go back and tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the English United States keyboard, to the green Apple keyboard. Now just we can see that the process is finished, and let's go for example here into the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as they all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.